Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore or reopen a shared file or shared drive on Google Drive using your Android phone. If you if you have accidentally removed a shared folder or can't access a file someone that share with you, don't worry, I will show you a few easy ways to bring it back. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Drive app on your Android device. Make sure you are logged in with the same Google account that had access to the shared files or drive before. And once you're in, just tap on shared tabs at the bottom. This will show all files and folders that shared with you or by you. And then if the shared files or folder still appears here, just tap to it to reopen it. It's super easy, but if it's missing, it might have been removed from your drive view. It's not deleted. So let's find it again. But before I will demonstrate to delete it from my drive view first, I will just delete it like this. And then just tap on search bar at the top of Google Drive and then just type part of the file name or the name of the person who shared it with you. For example, I will just search it by typing a name of the folder owner like this. As you can see, the folder is shows up again like this. Now you can access it again. And then next, if you still can't find it in Drive, just try checking your email inbox. Just go to your Gmail. You can just try this way because when someone shares files or drive with you, Google usually sends a notifications email. Just open your email app like this and use the search bar to type the name of the shared drive or the name of the owner. For example, like this, I will just type by name of the owner like this. Once you find the sharing message, just open or view in Drive. Just tap on it and it should take you directly to the shared files or folder. And then if both methods don't work, it's possible that your access has been removed by the files or drive owner, and in that case, you will need to contact them and ask to reshare the files or add you to shared drive. And okay, that's it. That's how you can restore or reopen a shared drive or shared files on Google Drive using your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.